Let's clear up a common confusion in English grammar, the difference between has been, have been, and had been. Many times, I had stopped and asked myself, do I say, he has been working? Or, he had been working? Or maybe, they have been working. We will understand exactly when to use each one. Let's first understand what they all have in common. All three has been, have been, and had been are forms of to be in the perfect tenses. Has been and have been are used in the present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. They show an action that started in the past and is still continuing, or something that happened recently and is still relevant. Now, had been, this is used in the past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense. It shows that an action started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. And it is finished now. Let's look at some examples to make everything crystal clear. We will start with has been, that is used in the present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. We use has been with he, she, it, or singular nouns. She has been studying for 2 hours. This sentence tells us that the action of studying started 2 hours ago and is still happening now. The phrase has been studying is in the present perfect continuous tense, which is used for actions that are ongoing. He has been sick since Monday. This sentence shows that he became sick on Monday and he is still sick now. Being sick is a condition that started in the past and is still true in the present. Have been is also used in the present perfect or present perfect continuous. It is used with I, you, we, they, or plural nouns. It shows an action or situation that started in the past and still continues or is still relevant. I have been learning English since 2020. This sentence shows that the speaker started learning English in 2020 and is still learning now. The action learning is not finished, it's still going on. They have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Here, the group they started waiting 30 minutes ago, and they are still waiting now. This is an example of an ongoing action, still in progress at the time of speaking. The sentence describes a delay or wait time that hasn't ended yet. Another example, we have been friends for many years. This tells us that we became friends many years ago, and the friendship still exists today. This sentence doesn't describe an action, but rather a state of being friends that began in the past and continues now. For many years means the friendship has lasted a long time up to now. The only difference between has been and have been is their usage. We use has been with he, she, it, or singular nouns, whereas have been is used with I, you, we, they, or plural nouns. Had been is used with past perfect or past perfect continuous. It is used with all subjects I, he, she, we, etc. It shows an action or state that started in the past and continued until another point in the past. She had been reading before the lights went out. This tells us that she started reading sometime in the past, and she was still reading when the lights went out. We use had been to show that her reading happened before another past event, that is lights going out. This is an example of the past perfect continuous tense. Two actions happened in the past, but the reading came first and lasted for some time. They had been working at the company for 10 years before it shut down. Here, they worked at the company for 10 years and then the company shut down. So, their work started and continued for 10 years in the past, but it stopped before the company closed. Had been working shows the long duration of the past action. The action is completely in the past and ended before another event in the past. I had been feeling sick all day before I took medicine. This sentence shows that I started feeling sick in the morning or earlier that day and kept feeling sick throughout the day, until I finally took medicine. We use had been feeling to describe the condition that lasted over time in the past. Before I took medicine shows the second past event, and had been feeling shows the condition that led up to it. Let's wrap it up. Use has been with he, she, it, for singular people or things, in the present situations or actions. Use have been with I, you, we, they for plural people or things, for present situations or actions. Use had been with any subject for actions that started and ended in the past, when talking about the past before another past event. Just remember this simple trick: present. Use has or have been. Past before past. Use had been. There is a separate quiz on correct usage of has been, have been and had been. Links are in description. With this, we are wrapping this tutorial. Keep practicing with your own sentences and see you in the next video.